Hey everyone, this is Abbas and we've got the HP Omen laptop for unboxing for you today. Now, Omen is HP's gaming laptop series and this is a fairly new model to the region specifically. Let's take a quick look at the specs, which are listed here. So this one comes with a Core i5-12500 processor and it's got 1 TB of storage, 16 gigs of RAM and the NVIDIA 3050 Ti GPU. Let's go ahead and open up. Fairly big box, right? It's a 16-inch laptop, as you can probably see here on the box. Nicely packaged, black packaging inside, black cover, cloth material in which it's wrapped up. So let me just show this across to you. We've got some USB ports over here. Obviously, you've got the vent for air. On the back, you've got some ports as well, which is great. Power is over here, so you don't see those cables, HDMI, and you've got USB-C ports on this side. And then finally some more HDMI, and that's probably a network port that comes up, SD card and a 3.5 mm as well. Let me go ahead and open it for you so you can kind of see the 16-inch screen. Now this is a 144 Hz panel, so it's meant for gaming. You've got the NVIDIA RTX sticker over here as well. Chiclet keyboard, big trackpad. Looks nice, looks quite nice. Bang & Olufsen audio on it as well. So quite nice, I must say. As far as the accessories are concerned, you get a power brick, power charger, and you've got different kinds of connectors for different regions. Obviously for us, we use the 3-pin. And then finally, we have some product information, quick start guides, all of that stuff. I'm gonna hide this so you don't see the Windows key on here, but that's your thing for it. So that's the HP Omen 16-inch laptop. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video.